Hi guys, so this is my garden. I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about my garden and what I grew and all that good stuff. So this is the herb pot. It is so adorable. I'll leave the link to where I got it in my blog and also in the description right below. This comes with seeds. It also comes with these dirt pots. It comes with 3 variety of organic seeds. And you get these dirt pots. There are, I think, 3 or 4. So yeah, pretty cool. It's supposed to be enough dirt to fill this up. So that's the container. So into my, what is this called? A measuring cup. We're gonna add water, and as you can see, this flipped over. Hope it doesn't break my container. So we're just gonna add water until the dirt has absorbed all the water. And then, yeah, we're just gonna separate this dirt out and make sure all the moisture is up in there. We're gonna separate it into 2 containers and off camera, and then I will be back to put the dirt inside of the awesome, herb pot. All right, let's do that. Pour some more water. Hopefully that'll loosen it up a little bit. So I've separated the dirt into 2 containers. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt that comes with her. It's moist, it's nice, So we're just gonna scoop all that dirt into our herb pot. You don't want to pack it in too much. You just want to kind of just scoop and scoop. And as you get to those little openings, you kind of want to fill those in because we will be adding herbs and so forth into those. So yeah, make sure to use all your dirt. I was getting all the dirt out of the container. I use my hands. I use a spoon. I make sure to get all your dirt. You paid for it. Get it all. Do it. So yeah, you're just going to fill this all the way up. This is the second container, and I'm just sprinkling it in there, making it loose because I will be growing a few things in here. And if you'd like to know what I grew in here, I will list the full list in my blog post. And this is the second seeding setup. So again, same concept. All you're doing is adding water and the dirt will absorb it. One of the ones I did, I took the netting off, so it's a little dirt hanging around there. You can see it's going to look really weird. It's the 2 that just look like 2 balls of dirt. All of them look like balls of dirt, but you know which ones I'm talking about. The ones in front. Next to the recycling sign. But yeah, so you're just going to have the water until the little things don't absorb any more water. If they stop absorbing, you can discard the rest of the water. So yeah, I just added water, and then I removed the 2 ones that I was talking about, the things right there. I'll use them for another pot, like my little plant, but I can't use it for this, so I'm just going to use 2 new ones and hydrate those 2. Now the point of this is to have the little openings so you can just put the seed in there, let them grow, bada bing, bada boom. Makes it easier for people. You don't have to dig a hole. It's just a hole in there already. It's kind of makes it easy growing indoors. Alright, so is it done? I don't know what I just said. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I was moving the water around. Okay, cool. So that works for me. That works for me too. Alright. So I'm just going to take the netting off. That's what I was talking about. I did it the first time and I messed it up. But once it's fully absorbed it and it's a little bit solid, you can remove the netting on the outside. It'll allow it to breathe. And you just open the hole up a little bit more so you can add your seed in. And I'm going to do this with all of these little pods. I think I wind up growing about 18 things. I know, I'm crazy. You should have saw me picking out seeds. That was crazy. But anyways, just do this until you're all done. Again, I'm going to link everything in my blog and also in the description bar below. So yeah, once that's all done, I had my seeds lined up. These are all my goodies I got. I don't know what they look like now because I forgot what I planted. Alright, so now everything is growing. This is May 1st, just a week after planting everything, and everything looks amazing. So if I amethyst, sweet basil, microgreens, these are our cutie patooties growing out of their little wollies. They look amazing, they look healthy, the roots look super healthy. I'm gonna insert some pictures of everything, but they look amazing. They grew very healthy, and I'm so proud of them. This is just a week following that, and they look great. These are the microgreens. I don't remember what that blue plant is. It's like these blue little flower herbs. There's amethyst, there's catnip, and I also planted some basil. That's basil. This is the catnip. Super cool. They're all edible. Super yummy things. And I'm so proud of this. Like, when you start growing stuff and it actually grows, you be proud. Man, this is like your baby. And yeah, so that's what these look like. They look great, and this is just a week after planting it. So microgreens grow super quick. I love growing them. I'm actually gonna grow some more, and they taste amazing. And that's my little garlics I'm growing. Reduce, reuse, repurpose. And this is actually some tomatoes I grew from tomato seeds I got from the supermarket. And then this is just some other plants. I repotted because they started growing pretty big. Again, our little seedlings are growing nice and strong, and I'm so proud of them. This is just an amazing moment. And then a week following, May 18th, we have our plants. I bought some cayenne plants. This is my bean plant. Oh my gosh, she is big and gorgeous. And then again, that's the tomato plant I was growing. Then yes, that is the little tomato plant I just mentioned. And then there's all the seedlings, the variety in this little pot. I'm recycling everything. And thanks again to my Patreon family. If you'd like to join, the link will be down in the description bar. Again, these are all the amazing plants. Stay tuned for part 2, and thanks again for watching.